Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up to LeadsMarket affiliate commission program. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to open up any internet browser on your computer or laptop device or your mobile device if you are using one, and yeah, just go to google.com. And here you have to search for leads market like this. Just write leadsmarket.com and then just click on the first link. And here, once you are on this website, just click on the three lines in the top right corner, then just click on for affiliates. And here you can join the best payday loan affiliate program, so just click on join as publisher. Just click on this dark blue or purple button, and yeah, I'm just gonna okay, so then you will be taken to this page. Now all you have to do is complete some simple prompts, put in your information, make sure it's correct, and then you will be enrolled in the LeadsMarket affiliate commission program. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.